I'm Dr. Naresh, pediatrician from Bangalore. Good and healthy times to all of you. This is a small informative video to just make you understand how the vaccine works during the COVID pandemic. Now, for this, first we need to understand just a basic descriptive purpose of the coronavirus. This is our coronavirus. So, it has, for example, the ammunitions A, B, and S with which it's going to cause certain symptoms on the human body. So the A, B, and S are basically like the weapons for the virus with which it's going to attack the body. And these three A, B, and S are called as antigens once they enter our body. So this is the coronavirus. And what is done in the vaccine is, as you can see here, the virus is basically broken down, denatured, but retaining the antigens A, B, and S. So it's no more infective, but it is just denatured to retain the antigens. And as you can see here, the vaccine that you take is going to contain all the three antigens. And once it enters your body, your immune system comes into play. So, how does the immune system act? It takes around 3 weeks to 4 weeks for our immune system to recognize these antigens that have entered our body, and it's going to produce the defense, what is called as the antibodies. So the antigens that enter the body, and the body is going to produce the antibodies to destroy the antigens of the virus. So once the vaccine is given, over a period of 1 month, the immune system is going to produce, let us say, anti-A antibody, anti-B antibody, and anti-S antibodies to act against the specific antigens of the virus. Now, what is important here is what we all have been doing for the past 1 year. The vitamins have gained a lot of importance. Vitamin C, zinc, vitamin D, and most important, exercise and good nutrition will be the major factors that are going to affect how our immune system is going to respond to the vaccine, and the quality and the quantity of the antibodies produced will be depending on these factors. So this is about the vaccine that has been given. And let us say 1.5 months or 2 months down the lane, the coronavirus actually enters the body, or the person has been infected by the virus. So most of them have a question, why do I develop symptoms even after taking the vaccine? So what we need to understand is, first of all, see, for just descriptive purposes, let us say A antigen causes fever, B antigen causes sore throat, and S antigen causes the lung infection. Basically the spike protein. The initial vaccine that has been given is going to cause these antibodies, which will be circulating in the immune system, and some of it will be stored in the memory of the immune system. So once exposed to the virus, it depends on many factors like the number of viral particles the person is exposed to, the duration of exposure, etc. Once it enters the body, again our immune system is going to recognize the three antigens A, B, and S, as I told before. The recognition will be same like how it recognized during the vaccine, but it has already been primed. So once it recognizes this, it takes around 1 to 5 days to produce adequate number of antibodies to destroy the antigens. Now, fever and sore throat usually develop within 5 days. So let us say the symptoms have started and your immune system has geared up, started increasing the antibody production to destroy the viruses. So as you can see here, a large number of antibodies are produced, and in the meantime, before the immune system gears up, the virus starts exhibiting its symptoms. Person may develop a mild fever, mild sore throat, because the immune system will take time to act. That time is usually 1 to 5 days. So within this time, they usually develop mild symptoms like sore throat and fever. Now, thankfully, this virus reaches the lung only after 6 to 9, I mean, during the 6th to ninth day. So, what happens is during this time, already the immune system of the body has recognized all the three antigens, including the S antigen, and it has produced large number of antibodies. So, by the time the virus reaches the lung, it's going to get neutralized by the antibodies, or basically the antibodies will destroy the virus, and so the person gets away only with mild symptoms. So that's the importance of vaccination. In the initial phase after the disease, you may develop mild symptoms, but the vaccine definitely will help to protect you from serious disease. That's basically lung infection will be prevented. So all of you go ahead and take your vaccines. Thank you.